here with B4. I just want to go over today's price action with you, show you our B4 trading system. Here we are early on this morning. Of course, the free lower indicator here tied in with it. We actually got a nice buy signal here from the actual B4 algo. Nice confirmation there with the color strategy. Our profit taking places that you can see with the B4 itself, the lower free indicator, 1, 2, and 3, and then that was the loss of momentum taking place right there, coming back to equilibrium and coming into a squeeze. So there we are, nice confirmation here. Another confirmation with the break of our brackets, profit taking, and again look at our zones. Our reversal zone hit our reversal zone. Now our actual arrows here, there are different completely different formula from what we have here, and they totally agreed. Everything is non-repainting with our system. Right here we lost momentum with the B4. It reflected that in the price action. Had the highest probability move of the day called, this is the institutional move of the day called out for us. Confirmed here with a sell signal, coming back to VWAP, and then here we are right now finding support at our R2 right there at 3698.32. So we're waiting to see what the lower indicator, and if we can get a break below that. The actual heads-up display is calling the shots here, complete confirmation in everything that we do. We have our TK counter there. We have some special things that we teach with that. And of course we have our stop loss. We have a complete system here, complete rule-based trading system, risk management, everything that you need. Anyway, nice setup today and nice price action. So we're going to get back to trading, guys. Thank you for your attention. If you'd like more content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel.